Hello, everyone. We're gonna get right into this recipe. So if you guys are cooking along, I hope everybody is.
Like halfway
Hold
through.
up our beer.
Yeah, beers and burgers. The flatter it is, the more craggly edges, the same as we were playing with the... So, our pasta, you can see at this point, I'm gonna put our little jalapeno on the edge of our glass. If you notice, some of them have like a little spot. You can just toss that right over your shoulder. And you just wanna give it a fine chop so that I can start to rough up the surface area.
Natasha, I don't think it's the knives. I think it's the user error.
Yeah, right. Sous vide pasta. Yeah.
Sous vide pasta. That's, if you figure that out, let me know. Wait and do the salt right before. See, beautiful. Cheese all the way around it.
I'm almost done, Doug.
I love it.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Anyone have any questions? Ooh, that looks so good. Wow, I'm always so impressed that you guys do it so quickly. You are so great. Ready and magic. Wow.